and girls, I'm back for another special here. This time an ivy special. I hope you can hear me all right. Here we have a little beech forest, and this little patch of the forest here is crawling and creeping with ivy. Take a look at the ground here. Don't know if you can see this, but this is all ivy. So the ivy just overwhelmed this whole place here. And it's a beautiful, as I said, beech forest. So I went here in the autumn and it was just beautiful. All these yellow colors. And yeah, here we can take a look at how the ivy grows up the big tree. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. And it's tight. It's pretty tight. I can mess with this one now because it's dead anyway. It has been cut off from the ground. Yeah, it has these little sticky things right here with which it can stick itself. Yeah, beautiful. I just love the ivy. And let's go on. You can see the floor is covered with ivy. And back there in the little distance, all the trees are full with ivy. And here we can see a thick ivy branch root. As you can see here, I mean, they all start out like little like this right here. And the older they get, of course, they grow bigger. And yeah, just look at that. And here up the tree you can see the second growth form of ivy, because it only grows like this with these typical ivy leaves in the like that's the normal type of growth. And when it gets to produce fruit and flowers, it grows into the second stage, and this is what you can see farther up there when it like displays when it like reaches out with these different kind of branches. Let's see if we can get to such a branch. Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, look at this, all this green stuff, all is ivy. And yeah, here we not only have big trees, this are, I think, Robinias. Don't know the English name. Yeah, and this, it looks like the ivy here suffocated this little Robinia tree. Yeah, but this is all the first type of growth. And right there, up there, this is the second type of growth. Hope you can see the difference. Right here we have the first type of growth, the crawling, creeping kind of growth, and this is the adult growth when it produces flowers. So at this branch, at some time it will produce its flowers and its fruit. I mean, just look at this place. Just awesome. Look, maybe we can get to some fruit, some flowers. Again, it seems like the ivy suffocated this tree right here. Yeah, here you can see the second type of growth. It looks almost like a bush, but it is the ivy growing further away. So it creeps up with these first type of branches. It creeps up the tree, and when it reaches a certain height, it will grow into it will grow broader, you know, into all the sides and display its fruits. I mean, just look at this. It looks as if it would be an ivy tree, but it is actually like a dead tree covered in ivy. And yeah, here you can see it even better. This is the first type of growth. This typical ivy leaves. And yeah, right here, this is the second type of growth. And we have one little fruit left here at the top. And I think they are ripe. The fruits ripen during winter or early or late winter. So now they are all ripened and have fallen off. These are the seeds then. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, here another shoot with a fruit on it, and yeah, here you can very good see the different type of growth, the different type of leaves. So this is the first type of leaf again. This is the second type of leaf, the adult form. And I will link the wiki article in the description. I only know the German name for this two types of growth. Yeah, beautiful forest, just beautiful. I'm so glad to be able to share this with you people. But I bet that the camera can't capture really the vibe here. Yeah, and of course seeing all this abundance, this overwhelming growth of ivy, I mean, it can be problematic. I don't know, I guess it can be that it dominates then such a patch of wood land, and that no other trees, no other plants can grow. But here we have something else growing. I have to look this up. I don't know what it is. So yeah, guys, that's my little ivy special. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys on the next daily nature walk. See you then. Bye.